Hello friends, welcome to the Midweek Show. If today is your first visit to our channel, we want to extend you a very warm welcome. If you have been here before but you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It means a lot to us. If it is your birthday, we want to wish you a very happy birthday. Today I want to do something a little bit fun, and it will involve one of these two pieces of equipment, but you have to stick around to see which one it involves. So stick around and we're going to show you. Okay, power sanders like this one are wonderful and have put us out of a bind many times in our projects. However, the sanding paper, especially this type, is fairly expensive, and so we figure out to check if there is a way to prolong its life, because after it gets gummed up like this, it becomes worthless. But in reality, the paper is fine. What is happening is that wood particles are embedded, and it ends the life cycle of the paper prematurely. Can you say that three times? Prematurely. Mm-hmm. So, one of the old tales that we have heard is that using an old shoe is a way to clean this. So we're going to test that process today. It kind of works, right? Come and see. I mean, it looks almost brand new.
It's only got the black residue, but yeah, it's taken all the sand out of it, the wood sand. The wood particles. Let's try that again.
Okay, no, that's fine.
Paper, so it must take the sand out.
So we tried this, which we purchased, and this is designed. It is very safe. It says cancer and reproductive harm. So I would suggest you wear a mask when you use it. Well, I don't know if there is no harm on the footwear.
So too late now?
Too late now, but you know. Alright, so let us get ready. Take this out of its plastic and... Okay, in the name of safety, both me and Elpida are sporting masks. And we're going to try this now, the professional way of doing it. I would go with this. It even took the black marks of the shoe. And here they are. So.
But in a pinch, if you didn't have one
right.
of those, the shoe would at least take the wood residue off.
And this definitely works. Here we've let it cake too much, so I don't know if we're using more of this will help or not. Let's try it. You cannot do that, woman. What's wrong with you? That's why we're wearing masks, carcinogens, remember? Mm-hmm. So this is, I think, and actually if you touch it, come and touch it, it is very, very coarse again. It is not smooth at all. Mm-hmm. And let's see if we can do this one too, because I like it. This looks almost brand new.
Yeah, that was pretty cool actually.
So I think we're going to start doing that as a preventive maintenance for our machine. What do you think?
Yeah.
I mean, this, we have let it go a little too far, but other than this area, and even this area, as I was doing it, it took a lot off.
Oh yeah.
So maybe if I do it a little more, it will take even more off. But what we think of this thing? I think it works.
Yeah.
What do we think of this thing?
It also works. It just lays.
Yeah, if you have no other option, you can go down to your dollar store and buy a pair of 99-cent flip-flops, right? In essence, and I'm going to try it, I don't think I have one now, I think a normal eraser will work as well.
Probably.
So this absolutely works. The part number for this is P-30766. I don't know if you can see it or not. Well,
no, don't move. Let me move. Okay.
so if you want to buy that, I think it worth the investment. What do you think?
Yeah. How much was it?
These are $6-7 on Amazon.
Okay.
These are fairly expensive, and while that's not the case in many other machines, in this machine, a total pain to change. You know, it is not an easy change.
Yeah.
You almost have to take the machine apart. So if this buys you even 1 or 2 changes of the paper, it's really worth its weight in gold, right?
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if we can try it. Let's try it. Probably so. This eraser generates a lot of byproduct, and you can see it here. I don't know if you can come.
Debris.
And as we read, it's not very healthy to breathe. So I'm sporting my mask again, and I want to see if there is any way we can actually use it on this. The needle clean. So again, what we see is that if it is not totally caked like this is, the needle looks almost brand new, right?
Yeah.
So it looks like it works in every type of sandpaper, in any type of device. I think we should make it part of our normal practice of maintenance, that when we finish sanding or if we start seeing a lot of collection, we actually use it. I definitely think it's worth. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
I mean, and this should last us a long time.
Hopefully.
But again, just saving 1 or 2 changes on this, I would be happy with. And definitely we will. I mean, this looks almost brand new. That amazed me.
Yeah.
And it is so grippy, you won't believe it. I mean,
It's good.
it's like nothing has ever gone through the machine, and we know that's not the case. And it's the same here too. And even that improved drastically. It didn't fix, but it improved. It was one of those fun things. I wanted to test it. I hope that presented some value to you. Do you have any comments? So this is our short saw for today. And we definitely give it how many thumbs up? Start doing that now, so we have to continue.
How many?
Yeah, thumbs ups out of 5.
Out of 5? It's 4.5.
Yeah.
I wouldn't give it a perfect 5, but
Yeah, I mean, if we had taken these off, it would be amazing, but I don't think anything can do
Yeah.
that. So 4.5, I would agree. This is something that actually works. And the only thing I did not like about the shoe was that it leaves residue on the belt, where this does not leave residue on the belt. Especially if you look at this. I mean, this looks brand new. I don't know if you can see it or not. That looks like it has never been used.
Mm-hmm.
It's an excellent, excellent result. Alright friends, this is our saw for today. If you did like this short episode, please smash that like button. If you didn't, the other button works as well. Share, like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know what you want to see in the channel. And from the Garage Wizard, Elpida, and the Urban Homesteading channel, we bid you a great week.